Today, we're diving into a machine that looks like it just rolled out of a 1950s postcard and then secretly spent a few decades hanging around hot rodders. Meet the 1953 GMC Carryall Suburban, a rugged American utility wagon that now packs a thundering 350 cubic inch under the hood. Every old truck has a history, but this one feels like it collected several lifetimes before arriving in its current form. The GMC Carryall Suburban belonged to a family of utility vehicles developed for people who needed more space than a conventional passenger car could provide. In the years following World War II, America was expanding rapidly. Families were growing, businesses were moving goods across longer distances, and rural communities still needed tough vehicles capable of handling rough roads. Manufacturers recognized that customers wanted something practical, durable, and spacious. GMC answered that demand with its Carryall Suburban models. The 1953 model year arrived during a period when American automotive design was evolving quickly. Styling became more modern, comfort improved, and manufacturers competed fiercely for customers seeking dependable transportation. Farmers, contractors, delivery services, and large families all found value in its generous cargo capacity and rugged construction. Unlike many passenger cars of the era, the Carryall was built with utility as a priority. Its body design provided substantial interior space, while its truck-based architecture delivered durability. These vehicles often spent decades working hard before being retired, modified, or restored. That survival story makes every remaining example special today. This particular 1953 GMC has traveled even further from its original specifications. At some point in its life, it underwent an extensive transformation. The body received refreshed cream and teal paint, brightwork was re-chromed, bumpers were replaced, and new tinted glass along with seals and weather stripping were installed. The result is a vehicle that respects its heritage while embracing tasteful modernization. Classic Suburbans have earned a loyal following because they represent a unique chapter in American transportation. They were not luxury cars, they were not sports cars, they were practical tools that quietly carried families, equipment, and dreams across thousands of miles. Today, collectors appreciate that authenticity. Engine transforms the driving experience compared with what buyers would have expected in 1953. The V8 is fitted with an Edelbrock intake manifold, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor featuring a manual choke, finned valve covers, and a finned air cleaner. An aluminum radiator helps maintain cooling efficiency, particularly during modern driving conditions. Power is delivered through a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission connected to a 12-bolt rear axle. The combination is well known among enthusiasts for reliability and durability. Instead of demanding constant attention, it allows the driver to enjoy the road. The chassis retains solid axles with leaf springs at all four corners, preserving much of the truck's original character. However, several upgrades improve handling. Front and rear sway bars help reduce body roll, while rear coilovers contribute additional control. Power steering significantly reduces effort behind the wheel, making the large GMC easier to maneuver than many vehicles from its era. Braking performance has also been modernized. A dual-circuit braking system combines power-assisted front disc brakes with rear drums. This arrangement offers improved stopping confidence compared with older single-circuit systems. Rolling stock consists of red-painted 15-inch steel wheels fitted with chrome hubcaps, trim rings. The combination perfectly balances classic appearance and modern usability. The dual exhaust system uses MagnaFlow mufflers, giving the V8 a deep, satisfying soundtrack. It's not obnoxious, but it definitely announces its presence. Meanwhile, a Fulton-style sun visor, cowl-mounted mirrors, GMC-branded step plates, sliding side windows, rear panel doors, dual taillights, and electric windshield wipers add character and functionality. Inside, the cabin continues the blend of old and new. A split bench seat trimmed in brown vinyl provides seating up front, while steel interior panels were refinished in matching brown. The rear cargo floor was resin-coated, sanded, and reinstalled, creating a durable load area. A replacement headliner freshens the interior atmosphere, and the truck intentionally remains without rear seating, emphasizing cargo capability. The design philosophy of the 1953 GMC Carryall Suburban was remarkably straightforward. Build a vehicle that could work hard every day and survive whatever America threw at it. Looking at this restored example, we can still see that original mission. Tall body, generous cargo area, rear panel doors, and practical layout were engineered for utility first and style second. Yet somehow that honesty became its greatest styling feature. The cream-and-teal paint scheme highlights the truck's distinctive proportions, while the re-chromed trim gives it a level of presence that many modern SUVs struggle to achieve. Even the Fulton-style sun visor feels perfectly at home, adding period charm without looking excessive. Behind the replacement butterfly-style steering wheel sits a combination gauge cluster and a 90-mile-per-hour speedometer. That frozen odometer is almost poetic. Some vehicles retire quietly. Others simply decide they have counted enough miles. Timmy saw the reading and immediately announced that the truck had reached maximum mileage and could no longer age. This is the same man who got divorced multiple times, yet still considers himself a relationship expert. Compared with modern SUVs, the GMC feels refreshingly mechanical. There are no giant touchscreens, no endless warning chimes, and no software updates demanding attention. It preserves vintage character while removing many of the frustrations associated with driving an original work truck in modern traffic. Enthusiasts appreciate vehicles that can be driven, enjoyed, and shared with family members rather than simply displayed behind ropes. Restored examples with thoughtful upgrades often attract buyers seeking exactly that balance. This particular GMC demonstrates why. It looks authentically vintage but performs far better than a stock 1953 utility vehicle. There are also fascinating details hidden throughout the truck. The cargo floor restoration demonstrates the level of care invested in the build. Even the combination of modern radial whitewall tires and classic steel wheels reflects an effort to preserve period appearance while improving road manners. Corrosion is noted on the underside, a reminder that even beautifully restored classics remain survivors of a long journey. Before discussing value, we should acknowledge what makes this GMC special. It has been modernized without losing its identity. That balance is difficult to achieve, yet this Carryall manages it remarkably well. It is practical, handsome, powerful, and packed with personality. In a world where many vehicles look nearly identical, this GMC stands proudly apart. Now for the numbers. This 1953 GMC Carryall Suburban sold on March 2, 2026 for $35,000. While that figure reflects the market at the time of sale, it also demonstrates the growing appreciation for well-restored and thoughtfully modified utility classics. For collectors seeking a vintage American hauler with genuine usability, that price places it within reach of many enthusiasts compared with some six-figure collector vehicles. As we wrap up, I want to thank the sponsors of the channel, our amazing members who help keep these stories rolling. You're the reason we can spend hours researching old machines instead of becoming politicians and promising to fix everything by next Tuesday.